Hi there, Megan. I wanted to leave you some feedback on your icon set. Um, it is looking so cool. I love it. I especially love that you have this matching cohesive element, your yellow star in each of them. I love that you've added dimension with having the two-tone colors. Um, the only thing I don't know if I'm totally sold on is the four shapes around the edges. I feel like it's slightly detracting from how cool your icons are. Um, I probably personally would go with a consistent shape, like maybe your light gray, like a square with rounded edges around it, all four of these, and see if that makes the icons themselves stand out even more. Or maybe gray, gray, yellow, yellow, or something. Well, you wouldn't want yellow behind this, but gray, gray, yellow, yellow. Just something, simplify it a tiny bit when it comes to this additional element because your icons themselves are so cool. So I don't really have a lot of advice for you. Honestly, probably already you would get full credit for this. Shh, because you have to make some changes, but they're awesome. You should be proud of yourself. Good job, Megan.